Math Morning, Mr. Dirk is back at it again with another application walkthrough.
Here we are again with another application walkthrough. I'm skipping the first two. They're just like examples in the packet, so I hope you can figure those out. Let's see. Find the perimeter of the following. Number 3, a rectangle. So perimeter, that's when you add up everything on the outside. On a rectangle, this would be 7 meters because opposite sides are the same, and this would be 16 meters. So what you do, you add all these together. 7 plus 16 plus 7 plus 16. Isosceles triangle, same thing. You're going to add these ones together. They're a little trickier. You've got fractions, so 3/4 plus 3/4 plus 15/8. When you add these, remember, the denominators have to be the same thing, so you're going to have to change them somehow. I believe I told you in the video. Alright, so you need to change the denominators before you add them. This isosceles trapezoid, again, we're adding all of these on the outside. 4.3 plus 2.5 plus 4.3 plus 10.2. Keep in mind these are decimals, so you need to align them up when you add them up. Alright, Mr. Dirk is Mr. White and Mr. Renee decide to call in sick and play Call of Duty all day instead. Below is a bar graph showing the results of their epic day-long battles. Use the graph to answer the questions. This is a true story. We really did this one day. So here is the bar graph, number of wins over here. That's me, Mr. White, Mr. Renee. So who's the best player? Look at the bar graph, see who has the most wins. They'll be the best player by how much? Alright, I guess you look at the best player and the second best player, and you subtract the amounts of wins that they have. How many total games did the math teachers play? Well, each game there needs to be one winner. Alright, so you would look at each person, see how many times they won, and then add them all up. So, for example, it looks like I think I won 6 games. Mr. White, looks like 25, 20, I think he won 27 games. Mr. Renee, looks like he won 21 games. So you add all those up and find out the total number of games. Alright. These numbers could probably also help you. Question A. Let's see the next one. Explain what the expression calculates in this situation. 21 minus 6. Alright, what's that mean? Well, it looks like Mr. Renee has 21 wins. Mr. Dirkus has 6, so if we're subtracting my wins from Mr. Renee wins, what does that mean? Interesting. I don't know. I know it does equal 15. So what does 15 represent? What does this mean? What does that mean? That's what you want to find out. This is a great question. Which is an example of the sum of a rational number and irrational number being irrational? So we got rational numbers. Remember, these can be expressed as a fraction. Alright? And irrational numbers, these cannot be a fraction. Normally, they're going to have decimals that just are crazy. 3, 7, 2, 1, 5. They don't repeat, they just go on forever. Alright, so I'm going to choose 2 examples. Let's see. Pi. If you put that into a calculator, what do you get? Well, let's see. Alright, here we go. Hit pi. What's that equal? 3.14159265359. Right? It really goes on forever. Pi is an irrational number. So I know that one irrational plus an irrational. So that's not rational and irrational. So that's not it. Alright, let me try. I'll go all the way over here. Square root 7 plus square root 5. Well, let's see. Let me clear this out. square root 7, 2.657131106, right? Irrational, goes on forever. And square root 5, 2.23606797775, blah 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 blah, goes on forever. So that is also irrational. So this one over here, that's irrational plus an irrational. We don't want that. We're looking for irrational plus a rational number. Alright? That's what you're looking for. If you have a rational plus rational, no. Irrational plus rational. Which one of these three in the middle is it? Alright, good luck. Dirkus out.